Well, hello guys. My name's Robert. Starting this new YouTube channel. I'd like to invite you guys to come in and watch with us. We've got a ton of projects going on at my house. We've recently bought a house, and that's a lot to do. We've come a long way. I wish I'd have started this at the beginning, but I will try to get a few video of some of the pictures. I don't have any videos, but I'll try to make a video of the project the progress we've made from the beginning using pictures that I have. Again, we've got several projects at home, me and my wife. Anyway, we just got a ton of projects. We've got an awning we're doing. We've got a outdoor kitchen. We've started on our fire pit, and we're going to tie our kitchen into that. We've got a Jeep project we're messing with. We've got a lean-to we're trying to build. We've got several repairs we need to do around the house. We've got some screening we're going to do on our back porch. We've got some inside projects we're going to do. We've got we like the old rustic look stuff, so it's a lot of DIY stuff. Just a lot of different things. We want to invite you guys to come and look. We're going to try to make as many videos as we can. I'm just new to this, so I can't guarantee you the quality of the video, but I'm going to do my best. So we just invite you guys along and come on in and subscribe. And hey, the name of the channel is going to be I think it's going to be a day in the life of Ain't No Telling, because it just ain't no telling what we're going to be doing that day. So just come aboard and subscribe, and hey, I'd like to bring you along, and I'd like to hear your thoughts on what you see we can do better, or if you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Just hey, come on. It's an experiment for us. It's a trial by error. I mean, we both enjoy, outside, and we both enjoy carpentry work, rough woodwork, and so just a lot of, ain't no telling what we're gonna be doing. So come on with it. Let's go.